Alright guys, so today I want to change out these housings for the turn signal and the parking lights. It's kind of old and faded compared to the headlights. So I bought a set from Rock Auto and I also bought some LEDs, so I'm gonna get those replaced. Alright, so here is the new housings. See there, nice and brand new plastic housing. Some LED bulbs for the corner lights, the LED flasher relay, and some switchbacks, all bought from Amazon. I'll provide the link down below if you want to get some of those too. And then of course, in a different video, the painless performance high beam headlight kit, or the high mod they call it. So all I'm gonna use is basically a coiled drill with a Phillips end, and those housings should just pop right out when you unscrew 4 of those screws. Show Dad, what is it?
Lights.
Yeah, and lights.
2 lights.
Yes. And this screw?
2.
How many? 1,
1.
2, and there's more over here. 3, 4. No, these ones don't have it. We're only going to change this one out, okay? Okay, yeah, so there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and those housings will pop right out, and then you should be able to access the bulb and the corner lights once this is out, and then we just replace the bulb and the housing, and that should be it. So let's take a look at how it looks like before the swap, and also with the lights on. Let me go turn the lights on real quick. And that's what it looks like with the lights on. All amber with the new switchbacks. It should just be nice and white. Alright, so let's get it started. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and this should just pop right out. So it should just press this guy and it twists right out. This guy just twists right out. There. Pop in the new LED. Change these out too. Pop these guys out and look at what that has in there. I do not know what the heck that is. What, dielectric grease or something? It looks like I gotta clean them out before I install the new bulbs. Alright, so I wasn't sure what that stuff was. It might be dielectric grease, but they put a whole bunch of them in there. So cleaning that out, and now all these new ones. Okay, let's test it out before we put everything back together to make sure that it comes on. Oh, it's not coming on. Alright, so I remember reading online and Facebook forums and pages that LED will be all weird and whatnot, probably without replacing all of the bulbs related to the system and the flasher. So I'm going to put in the new flasher and replace all those bulbs, and then I'll give it a try from there. Alright, so just got all of the bulbs replaced with those LEDs, and now just gonna do the relay really quick. And it should be just this guy right here, so let me get that replaced and then test out the lights and see how it goes. Alright, check this out guys. So put in a flasher relay and turn the lights on, the parking lights on. This side is lit white, and this side is lit white or amber, and then this is not even on. Let's see what's wrong here. All right, so we got to figure it out. Basically the bulb were installed wrong. There's like two little guide pins that sticks out from the bulb. I had to flip those over, so I'm pretty sure it should be good now. So let's check out the turn signals. Oh wait, let me go turn the car on real quick. And there is the passenger side, which is good. Now let's check the driver's side. And then there is the driver's side, also good. So let me put it all back together and check it out with the new housings. Alright, just finished up. Let's check to see how they go. Alright guys, as you can see, that's how they work. So when it's on daytime running lights, it's nice and white and bright, and then when it's time to use the turn signal, it'll switch to the ambers and it'll flash amber for the turn signal. Alright guys, so that concludes this video on the install of the new turn signal housings and LED bulbs for the turn signal housings and the corner lights. So basically all of this is 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3 bulbs. And it's that simple. So I bought the bulbs and the, oh yeah, I also forgot to mention the flasher relay. You also have to swap out the relay for that. But anyways, if you want to know where I got the bulbs and the flasher relay, I will provide the link down below. And thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel. Like this video if you find it helpful, and comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.